Hi there, and welcome back to another Jabra tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to enable the Earcup microphones in a Jabra Evolve 285, meaning you can actually take calls more discreetly with the boom arm up. Now, the first step is going into your PC, plugging in your Evolve 285, and opening Jabra Direct, our free software that allows you to optimize and personalize your Jabra device. Now, if you don't have Jabra Direct, don't worry, you can download it for free at the link in our description. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you've opened Jabra Direct is select your Evolve 285. From there, you're going to select Settings. From there, you're going to scroll down to where it says Enable the Earcup microphone for calls, and you're going to press the button on the right-hand side, making it go yellow. After this, be sure to go up to the top of the window and select the Save button. And that's all there is to it. So your Jabra Evolve 285 can now be used with the boom arm down or with the boom arm up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.